To be honest, Midjourney has disappointed. I went over to Midjourney with hopes and dreams that I will generate some cool images for my socials, and this is what happened. Midjourney is not free anymore. And that is the point when I started looking for free tools just like other people to generate the same results like Midjourney. Well, that's a long debate that Midjourney creations are still really unique. But for those who can't afford it like me, at that time I found Leonardo AI, which is completely free. They are also releasing a new version this week with the name Leonardo Alchemy. The best part is the images you create are allowed for commercial use for free, which is not available in Midjourney. So that's why free tools are giving Midjourney a tough competition. Anyways, let's have a tutorial on Leonardo AI. Step 1. Go to Leonardo AI website, enter your email address and create account. Next, join your Discord account and go through some personalization questions. As Leonardo AI is also available on the web, just go to Leonardo AI website, select launch and click I am whitelisted. Log in with your Google account or Microsoft account, write a username of your choice and continue. This will take you to the Leonardo homepage. Above you see are the results of different models of Leonardo AI. Just simply select any picture you like and click on generate with this model. Its UI is much better than other tools and the images you see are very much like Midjourney. You can click on it and see the prompt and settings used for this image and also generate images like this for yourself. Well, not exactly the same, as AI image generators do not give the same result twice, which means everyone gets a unique image they create. I know, don't worry about the tokens, as many AI image generators use this system, and best of all, this refreshes after every 24 hours, means you can create 150 images per day, which is a lot. Now let's head to AI image generation, where you type in your prompt for your image. The more detailed the prompt is, the more better the image will be. On the left, you can see some settings such as the number of images you want to select. Note that by turning prompt magic on, it will use 2 tokens per image. There are other options such as resolution, which I suggest leaving that on default, as Leonardo AI is trained on this resolution. Therefore, you will get better results with this. You can play around with the slides to see what suits your style the most. The tiling option is the most helpful for business owners who like to set up their shop on Etsy, Printify and other print-on-demand stores, which I will show how to use this later in the video. And these two are very straightforward. Image to image will generate a new image using the image you uploaded, while in image prompt, Leonardo AI will do its best to come up with a prompt which could give a similar image as the one you uploaded. These features are really diverse, and it's probably a decent alternative to Midjourney at the moment. Now at first, I will write a simple prompt like any of us would do, and see the results. Not bad after all. Now I will copy a prompt from these professional images and paste it there to see the results. And you can see it gives more detail to the image. The more better your prompt is, the more better the image would be. Now let's try the tiling option. My prompt is flowers, colorful art, creative pattern, and let's see what it gives. And you can see the results are amazing with just a simple prompt. To further check more, download this file and drop it to a seamless checker and just look at the results. Just perfect. You can also remove background from images by clicking on this option. Let me know in the comments if you want another video on how to use this for Etsy and other print-on-demand stores. For now, I hope you learned something new, and if you did, please consider sharing with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in another video.